Hey guys, I'm Jessica and welcome to our channel. Fall is in the air here in Tennessee and I don't know about you, but I love me some pumpkins. And every time I go into Hobby Lobby, I walk down the aisles and I look at all the cute pumpkins and I want to buy them all, but I can't. So I have decided to make my own pumpkins. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I made this cute little cloth pumpkin using a thrifted sweater. So if you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial on how I made this, just keep watching. So I bought this old sweater from my local thrift store for 50 cents. It has a couple little stains on it, but otherwise it's in good condition. I liked the chain knitting of the sweater, and so I will be using one of its sleeves to make the pumpkin. I don't like the bottom hem of the sleeve, and I don't want it to be a part of the pumpkin, so I cut that off, and then I cut another piece of the sleeve off. Now that I have this piece cut off, I am going to be using a long, sturdy needle and upholstery thread. I thread up my needle and then I turn my cloth inside out and then begin to thread the bottom hem of the piece. I will continue threading it until I have gone in a complete circle, as then I will pull the thread tight and pull the extra thread around the bottom and sew it closed. Now I turn it back right side out. I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did for the bottom and thread the top hem. I won't be pulling it completely shut, but I want it a little tight so that I can add the stuffing. I also won't be cutting the thread as I will still need it. So I stuffed the little pumpkin till it is quite full with stuffing, and now I will pull the top as tightly as I can, and then I'll push the needle through the middle of the pumpkin, and then I'll pull the thread on the outside of the pumpkin and pull it tight as I can, as this will make the pumpkin shape.
I will continue doing this until I'm happy with the shape of it, and then I will strip the ends as best as I can, and then I'll cut the thread. For the stem of the pumpkin, I will be using a little stick that I got from a tree outside my house, and I will use a hot glue gun to attach it. And here it is. I love how it turned out, and it is super cute.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not already a subscriber and you are interested in different crafting, DIY, furniture flipping, home renovations, and all sorts of stuff, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.